Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're good. And my name is Fernando from 12th grade of Engineering 1, and I'm a student of Ananda Mitra Damas Vocational High School. And today I wanted to tell you about my daily routine or daily schedule when I'm on school. And I'm gonna tell you the story of my daily activities before this pandemic happened. And first, I arrived at school at 6 past 30 or half to 30 minutes to 7 a.m. And next I go to class, and at 6:45 a.m. or quarter to 7 we prepared the morning parade, and the bell ringing is designed for us to prepare the morning parade. And after the bell ringing, we go to the downstairs and went to the field and do the morning parade. And it's over at 8 a.m. and we go to the class again and wait to teacher to do the present absent at the 8 past 10 or 8:10 a.m. And the studies is beginning at the 8 past 20 a.m. and the studies is over, and we take a break at the half past 10 or 30 minutes to 10 a.m. and we go to the canteen, we eat our meal and do the break. We take a break, and the break is over at the 10 past 30 minutes or 30 minutes to 11, and then we do the study again. We do the study at 10 past 30 minutes, and the studies is over at the 11 past 45 minutes or quarter to 12 a.m. And then I go to the canteen for both some snack and eat it on canteen, and the break is over at 12 past 50 minutes p.m. and we go to class and do the studies again. And the studies is over at the 3 past 10 minutes p.m. and then we prepare to do the afternoon parade at school, and then we do the afternoon parade at the field, and the parade is over at 4 p.m. and then I do the clean the class with my friend, with the other student, and the cleaning is over at the 4 past 30 minutes or 30 minutes to 5 p.m. and when it's over, I go to back to my house. Okay, that's all my daily activities or my schedule on when I'm in school before this pandemic happened. And sorry for my bad English and also misspelled words. There are so many misspelled words on these videos. And thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Fernando Farrel signing out. Goodbye.